Hey everybody, it's Mike here, and today we're going to show you a little bit about the Jeep Fender here. This is a 97 Jeep TJ Fender that we took from original rotted out Fender that you'd normally throw it away, and we've redone it to this point of this, and we've actually gone and done a lot of the stats with you guys to show you how you can take your old Fender and make it look like this one here. So the first thing we did was we chopped up all the old metal, cleaned it all up, and got it ready for our welding. And that was the very first part we did. We actually rounded up our edges and made sure we had our radius that we wanted. And after that, we actually started to clean up the outer edges here, as you can see. And we started taking our new metal and actually forming it to make it so that we could actually size it up and put it in place. In this case, we used stainless steel on this one, thicker gauge stainless steel, so we had some real good metal to weld to, because originally the metal that we had is very thin and very easy to blow through. So we thought, let's just go ahead and use some really good heavy steel, and stainless steel is always good because it doesn't rust, so that was a real bonus. So after that, we took the tube and we actually had to put it into a freezer. So we actually filled it with water and froze it, because we tried it with a regular pipe bender, and because of how thin the wall it was actually kinking at the very end because it needed a really tight radius. So when we put it in the ice, it actually worked out really well. There was no kinking or anything like that involved. So here we are, we're just making our bend and checking our radiuses and our tolerances and that sort of stuff. We're keeping that outer line lined up with the edge, having a little bit of stick out with that pipe. So next, we actually started doing our sheet metal on top. So underneath we were doing stainless, and on top, to finish off the look, we did a little bit of straight up steel. So after that, we actually we were sitting here sizing up our pieces and getting our angles right. So here we come in with the stainless now. This is our backing. This is our base that we're building off of. So what we're doing is we're taking a piece of C channel and taking that nice 90 out of that C channel, and to create our uniform piece that surrounds the hood. So here is the piece of sheet metal on top of the stainless, and that is all welded in, and it's ready for grinding. And then after the grinding, we're going to clean all that up and putty it up and get it ready. But next thing we had to do was we had to get our bottom line, our driver's side right here, our bottom side piece of stainless that was rotted as well on the side body of the fender. So we took the same thing, we took another piece of the stainless and C channel, and we got our angle cut out, so that way it worked out really well. And at the back of this tube here, we actually notched it about 50% down, so made it kind of go flat towards the body of the vehicle, so it looked like it was actually protruding out of the body of the vehicle, so it looked like it was a natural occurrence. So at the end, guys, this is the final look. It came out great. We actually we used rubber instead of steel or aluminum diamond plate. We used a rubber matte diamond plate, and that way, if you're ever working on around it or you scratch it, it's gonna take the scratches without getting any damage to the actual body. And you can